Here we are guys with the new Oppo Find N2 Flip. This is a really nice phone because the design it's amazing. I really love this color because behind it's like a sand effect, but there are two colors available. This one was definitely the most beautiful. On this side there is the brand Oppo with this wave effect, which is great. On this other side we have two cameras and this display. This is the 3.26 display. It is an AMOLED. When we open it, we have this other great display. This is 6.8 inch, and it is an LTPO AMOLED, so there is a 120 refresh rate. This other side, of course, there is nothing. I really like, of course, the design because in here it's completely flat. There is no more space in between the two parts. I like the fact that, of course, we can use the double tap to put it on and to light off the display, the same as the one inside. But I like that the camera, it can recognize from this camera, but also from the one inside, which is amazing. I just recorded once my face, and the device automatically connected the two cameras, which is amazing. There is a fingerprint scanner on this side, but honestly I didn't see to work very well. You see, most of the time it doesn't work, sometimes yes. Starting from this other display, if we go down, we have the toggle, of course. On the top we have the notification. On this side we can make a picture, portrait, videos. We have the weather, calendar, timer, recorder, and of course we can put the wireless air plug. Once we open it, we have this, told you already, this amazing display because it's really nice. It's really quick. You can feel the 120 Hertz, and this is pretty good also because inside there is the new processor MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus, which is one of the flagship processor. And honestly, it's the first time that I tried, and it surprised me because it works really nice. First of all, it doesn't make the device warm anywhere. It works very quick as well, and I didn't had any kind of problem, even with gaming, social network, anything. There is one thing that I want to show you because there is of course the vibration, which is very precise, but I will let you feel it now. I don't know if from the camera you can hear it, but sometimes it is precise, but sometimes there is this noise which is not really nice, especially when you are in very silent areas, I don't know, in school or somewhere else that you don't want to let anyone understand what you are doing. This noise, it is not very silent. You can hear it a lot. Inside there is also a battery which is a 4300 milliampere. It's a great battery, to be honest, because it is the bigger one on this kind of phone, and I reached the evening without any type of problem. No trouble, nothing. I had no stress because the battery was already finishing. No. I used a lot, and every time I reached the evening without trouble. I will let you show just a quick video. Alright, it was already open because the display, it's fabulous, guys. There is nothing to say. It's not bright maybe as the Samsung or the new the iPhone, but okay, in here I didn't get any strong sun days, but outside I had no trouble to read it. It's very visible. Okay, now it's a bit dark in here, but the quality of the display, it is very high. There is nothing to say. And there is this line in the middle, but when you see the phone from this side, you don't really see nothing in the middle. It's like flat. It's like a normal display. Only if I go like with the different light, I can see a little bit the line here, but trust me, it's invisible. You will not notice at all. I will let you feel the sound as well. So the audio, it's really strong. I love the audio on this phone. The only things, there is the Dolby Atmos, so there should be the 3D audio, but it's not very strong. The bass are not super strong, maybe like other kind of phone that I've tested lately. So it's the audio, it is a bit more flat compared to the others, but guys, the sound, it's really strong. It's a really nice audio. I will just open the gaming just for a second to let you see how quick it is, the gaming. So the loading time, honestly, it's not very quick, even though the Dimensity, it's a great processor. In this case, it's not super quick with the gaming, and you can see the loading time, it's a bit slow. I'm just waiting to... The most annoying part, guys, it's that you need to select 1 billion things before making a quick race, and it just show you the loading time. Yeah, go. One billion things. It is so great that you can actually play in this mode as well. Okay, it's not comfortable, but honestly, it would be so nice to have the phone in this way and to have also the image coming in 3D. This is maybe an idea for a future flip phone. But yeah, honestly, I really like this form factor. It's great. So you see the loading time, it's not quick at all. But once it loads, the graphic is amazing. So you have no trouble with the graphic, and you will see in a second when it's starting. So you see the graphic, it's good, and there are no lags. It works perfectly fine. And this is a very heavy game. Yeah, we are not talking about a normal game. This is very heavy. Okay, don't see me playing because maybe I'm a bit shit, but yeah, it works completely fine. I remove before you will see the disaster of me in the gaming. Then we need to talk about the cameras. So on this part we have a 32 megapixel camera, which is absolutely amazing. Outside we have a 50 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. I told you already you can make picture from this part. It recognized me. So once I open it, the phone recommend you to put in this way, and you can actually making a short picture, making a photo, or even videos straight away from this side. You don't need to open it, but of course you can open it to have more option inside the camera. In the main camera we have obviously the night, video, photo, portrait. We have other type. In the settings we can see the branding Medisilicon X, which is the coprocessor for to work better on the imaging, and actually it works very well. I love the fact that when we are shooting the picture in this way, we can activate also, oh sorry, I didn't do it, the external display, which is phenomenal. Because think when you're making picture to your girlfriend, your wife, you know, women are already very demanding with picture, and we men, we are very bad to make pictures. So with this way we can actually show them what we are shooting, and they can decide, oh, I'm bad, I'm nice, blah blah blah. So this is a very cool future also for us, for men. I just make a very quick picture just to let you see. And as you can see, the shooting time is very quick, and actually the picture is not bad at all. I really like the color, because the color are much more real to the real life. I tested another Oppo like not a long time ago, and the picture was completely different. What's that? Oh, I don't know. I saw something wrong, like SOS. I don't know. Let me go in the test just to let you see the picture that I've made. Of course are not all the pictures. So this is just take the phone from my pocket, open it, shoot a picture. Very quick. And this one was a Rolls Royce. Really nice picture because the color are really real. This is one of the portrait mode. Inside of course I was in the gym, and this one it's infinity picture, because from the other display we can see always inside. This is the maximum zoom available on this phone. This is another quick picture to the parking where I was. Night picture. This one, it was in the morning. Really nice picture. This picture, they don't have a big size, I have to be honest. Where is it? Detail. It is like 2.3 megapixel, so it's not very heavy picture, but the camera, it's only 50 megapixel, we know. But yeah, I was expecting maybe a little bit more heavier in the dimension. Still another picture with the tube running over here. You see that there was not very sunny days lately, but yeah. So this portrait mode has been made with the 50 megapixel camera, so from this other side. And as you can see on my hair on this side, it's not precise at all. I don't know what happened here, but it's not precise. But when I try to make again the same picture with the inside camera, so I open it and I made the picture like that, as you can see, it made my hair much better. And actually I really like the portrait mode on this phone as well, on both cameras. It's very nice, even though the hair didn't do well, but maybe it was only that picture. The others it was much better. This is a video, so in the video I try to put the video in this way. As you can see, it surprised me, the shaking. There is no shaking at all in here, only a little bit, because when I was running down, maybe I was running a bit faster, this part was shaking much more compared of course to my hands. I was a bit scared, to be honest, that I was breaking the phone. So in the end I opened it completely, because this part was shaking a lot when I was coming down. In the zoom, you can see the stabilization is losing, but compared to the other flip, honestly, the video here are really amazing. I think Oppo did a really nice job with this phone. This is another take from the pocket, shoot a picture. I think actually this one I did with the closing phone. I'm not pretty sure now, but I did a few pictures with the phone, with the closed phone. Really nice, because I really love the color that it shoot. So camera wise, it's not camera phone, to be honest, not the best one on the market, but for this form factor I definitely think it's the best one. It's very quick, the processor surprised me a lot. It's a very nice processor, and of course you can use this in this mode when we are shooting the picture, you see. Honestly, I really like this phone. Oppo, you did a great job in here, because this phone is amazing. I like the design, I like this form factor, I really like the color, I like this display. At the moment there are not so many options that we can use, but soon it's coming another update that will improve as well this other display. But overall, Oppo did a great job. I really like this phone, so I will suggest to buy to everyone who likes this type of phone. And this one, it costs only £849, which is much lower compared to maybe other competitors. From me, that's it. I will suggest you to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Like this video if you like this phone, and of course if you like to ask me anything, just write a comment below. Bye guys.